Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to filter row by color in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. And then in this column you see different color scheme of text. So we are going to filter row by color. So we are in data and then you see filter, so click on it and then you see drop down. So this is our category column. You see drop down, now select and then you see filter by color, but you don't see any drop down because this column has no color scheme. Go to this column, drop down, now select and then you see filter by color and then you see filter by font color. So we have three color scheme in this column. Now select red. Now you see red row appear. Again click on filter, filter by color. Now select green. Now you see 3 rows. So in this way you can filter row by color scheme or font color in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.